are playing Dog Pound. And now you get to be the dog. Just
I'm dead. I wanna get out.
No. Not even like 20 seconds, and we already see this fat fuck. Shut up!
I'm going to the mouth.
Who is spamming wow? If you hit me, I am killing you. What the fuck? Who is playing the stupid ass song? Shut up. Thank you. Give me some. Oh, I want some dog food.
This applesauce look delicious.
Ooh, I want some
Help. Oh. Turn this short song off. Who's playing this shit? Unfortunately, we are swapping games. Yes, I am playing Death Penalty.
Oh.
Welcome to the Death Penalty Program. Today, you will undergo a series of experiments. Compliance is not only crucial, but mandatory. Therefore, measures have been implemented to ensure the integrity of our testing process.
I've got one thing left.
Womp womp.
And what's that?
My entire goddamn skeleton, dickhead.
Murderer. Time bomb.
I hope you don't get picked again, baby.
Time bomb has been selected.
They do pick you again.
One subject will be given a stack of TNT.
Run where?
Scissor. No. 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 Confirm.
I'm gonna lie.
Wait, what?
5 buttons.
5 buttons have been added. One button contains instant death. One at a time, a random subject will be selected to pick a button. You will have 30 seconds to make your decision.
Oh. Me. Yo. Press blue. Oh.
Go ahead, onion. Oh, onion.
Onion.
Or steel has been selected. 2 subjects will be selected to participate.
Okay, sorry for forcing it.
No, he's gonna take the money. He's poor.
Oh my god, it's you, little shark shark. They could right down.
Don't push me. Whose baby is that? That's a baby, bro.
I'm watching this video of this cat. It's so cute. She's cool.
We will now begin voting. After each vote, the subject with the highest amount of votes will be safe. The subject last picked will be executed.
How you like that?
Who is the best orator? None of them.
Way too jiggy.
Playing music too loud, right?
Yo,
Right away.
go away.
Right
Get your fucking greasy nuts out of my face.
Right away. You're driving too fast.
Dropper has been selected. All subjects must stand on a trap door. One subject will choose which door to drop. If they fail to choose in 30 seconds, they will instead be executed.
Yeah, I've signed it 500 times.
Literally. If you pick me, I'm slaughtering you.
Get that bacon.
I'm Boomcock. Oh, hello, Flamingo.
Simon Says will now
Wait,
commence.
why does he post that?
Obey instructed commands only when they begin. Oh my god.
I just hit a explode
Simon Says stand
and exploded. No, I can't.
Simon Says stand on the line.
I exploded.
Simon Says stand
I
on the table.
exploded. I exploded.